Hi, and welcome to use VotingAid. In this video, I will guide you through on how to create a new VotingAid project. First, you need to sign in. Now choose New VotingAid from the list. Give the application a name, an optional description, and set the default language. Then press Create. Now, from the basic settings, you can choose how the question list and the result list will appear. As a default setting, they are right next to each other, like you can see here. You can change this order from the layout over here. In this section, you can also manage your social sharing future options. Now I will show you how you can create content to your VotingAid. When you press Questions, you can see a list of default questions. You can remove these by first clicking the question and then the Remove button from here. In the same way, you can add more questions by clicking the Add Questions button. Remember to save after you've done changes. Now we move on adding the candidates. When you create a new project, there will be 3 test candidates. You can remove them by clicking the candidate's name and then the Remove Selected button. And in the same way, you can add more candidates by clicking the Add New Item button. Now write at least the candidate's name and the email address, and the rest can be left to filled out by the candidate. And now we move on to the layout. Here's the default theme of the VotingAid, but you can add more themes by clicking the Create a New Application theme. Give the theme a name and click the theme that you want to use. Now, the color wizard is a great tool to use if you wish to create a specific color scheme for your VotingAid. Click the color wizard here. Type or copy-paste the web page that you wish to use. And now the color wizard will match the layout to your VotingAid. If you have CSS skills, you can also add your own changes to the layout. Now we move on to the release part. In this Release for Users section, click the website for candidates. You can either publish the VotingAid on its own web page or use the embed code. If you wish to do that, just click the icon over here, and here you can find the code which you can embed to your website. I'm going to publish the VotingAid on its own website, and now I can invite the candidate that I just added. Tick the box. And here you can see the invitation letter. You can either use this one or create your own. Then click Send. And now your candidate is ready to answer to your VotingAid. So this is how you create a new VotingAid project. Thank you for watching and enjoy using VotingAid.